Howdy, howdy, folks. Check out the blackberries. Coming in strong. This is the Prime Ark Freedom. Right here. Everything but one little sprout is a brand new cane. It's all Prime canes right now. Look at all of the blooms. And it's the gift that keeps on giving and giving and giving and giving. And if you'll notice up there in the bed, it's 3 more growing. This one, on the other hand, is the Ponca. I don't know if you could see that with glare. Look at all the berries. And I was worried about this one not putting any more Prime canes out, but they're here. They're finally here. Got several of them. Plus, we got one that scooted itself way over here. I don't know if you can see that either. Yeah, there we go. We have a high humidity problem down here in the zone 9B, so I try to keep the leaves on the bottom kind of cleaned down a little bit so we can get some airflow. I don't want a problem with mold, mildew, and all that mess. So, I'm not sure how I'm going to trellis them yet, but I'm thinking about it. I want to get as many berries as I can, but at the same time, I don't want it to overproduce, which I found out the other day that's a thing. So, I'm going to be cutting out some of the canes. I don't know if I'll be concentrating on just a 2 cane system, or maybe a few more, but we'll see. Oh, and look, they're starting to come ripe. I have another one right there. And another one right there. They're pretty big too. They're about 1 inch long. I'll be topping this one soon. It just hasn't finished growing, and I'd like for it to get to that top line right there so I can tie it up again. Oh well, there's the update on the blackberries. As soon as my help comes back, I'll be digging this one out and digging those 2 out. And this was the bed with the radishes and the turnips. I got some peppers in there, and I got some squash, and we still got our trusty old basil. And look, there's another blackberry right there, and right there. I think I'm gonna have blackberries coming up for quite some time. Oh, and look, there's another one. Let's see if you can see that right there. Alright guys, well, y'all have a good day, and I'm going to finish watering the garden. Palm tree's doing really well. See, there you go. And the rose bush has taken completely off. I have to get up underneath there and clean that. Still waiting on my surgery though. As soon as that happens, I'll be able to do a lot more. But oregano needs to be trimmed badly. Oh. Strawberries are doing well. They're already multiplying. I've cut off so many runners, and then after a while I just said, you know what, I'm going to take a couple anyway. So I got 2 there. I'm started. I don't know. Can you see that? Let's see. I see them in those containers right there. And then the 2 I let start before have already been moved into a bigger container here. And how up there's a Tabasco plant. My little birdie series tomatoes, they are full of tomatoes. My little peppermint's doing good. And these are the Everglade tomatoes that I found some seeds for. There's little tomato things everywhere. I didn't have enough trellis space, and with my arm the way it is, I can't make trellises. So I got an extra big pot, Planted 3 plants into it. Well, you can see the thing. And I braided them up so they stand up on their own. That's the best I can do one-handed. Same thing with the sun sugars. Only one of them snapped, but this one here too. I'm winding them around each other so they stand up, and I guess eventually when they start to tilt over, I'll top them and see if I can get some side shoots. But in the meantime, oh yeah, look, got another little squash right there. Alright guys, that's all good for the update on the blackberries and everything, so I guess I'll see y'all later. And y'all take care. Have a great day.